My question is, why do non-Ahmadi Muslims say that Ahmadis are disbelievers, even though we believe in the Shahada, follow the Holy Quran, and the teachings of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
I think you better ask them. We believe in the same Prophet, we believe in the same book, the Holy Quran. We say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, and all the teachings of Islam we practice. And we not only practice, we preach. And this is why hundreds and thousands of non-Muslims are accepting Islam through Ahmadiyyat. So you can show your example. You can set your example before them. You tell them what I believe and what I practice. Then this is now your duty to preach them and remove all their doubts. Okay?
Okay.
So now,
Jazakallah.
you see, in Ghana, for instance, the early Ahmadis were from among Christians. Why did they accept Islam? Because they saw the beauties of Islam through Ahmadiyyat. Even your forefathers were also Christians, right?
Sorry?
Your forefathers were also Christians before that, I know.
Yeah.
So this is how you can preach them, that we are Muslims. We believe in one thing. The only difference is that you believe that the Messiah of the age, who was destined to come according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, has not yet come. But we believe that has come in the person of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadian. And that is the only difference. And because of this, you say that we are not Muslims. And the other thing is that we believe that the promised Messiah, al-Islam, has the status of prophethood. Because the Holy Prophet ﷺ declared him as prophet in one of his traditions, not only one time, 4 times. Right? And they say that no other prophet can come after the Holy Prophet ﷺ. We also believe that no other prophet can come after the Holy Prophet ﷺ, but the prophet with new Sharia, with new law. But a subordinate prophet can come. And he was to come according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And even in the Holy Quran it is written in Surah Jummah that the prophet will come. So this is the difference. This is why they say we are not Muslims. They say, okay, you believe that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is the prophet, but you do not believe in the finality of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. We say we believe that he is the last of the prophets who brought Sharia. And the Holy Quran is the last book of Sharia. We believe that. We believe that there is no God apart from the one who sent the Holy Prophet ﷺ and all the previous prophets. And we believe that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is his prophet, final prophet, the last of the prophets. So, but the only difference is that we believe that the promised Messiah is the subordinate prophet, and we do not say it with our own interpretation. It was clearly, explicitly explained by the Holy Prophet ﷺ that the promised Messiah who is destined to come will be having the status of prophet. Okay? This is the difference. This is why they say we are not Muslims.
Okay. Jazakallah, Huzur.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.